Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove your Hyundai Santa Fe spare tire. First, open your vehicle's rear tailgate. Then, lift the cargo floor cover to reveal the tool compartment. Inside, you will find your jack and the wheel lug nut wrench. Next, locate the small plastic hex bolt cover, usually marked for the spare tire. Use a coin or a flat blade screwdriver to carefully pry this cover off. Now that the cover is removed, you will see the lowering bolt exposed. This bolt controls the spare tire's hoist mechanism. Take your wheel lug nut wrench and connect it to the socket provided in your tool kit. Firmly attach this assembled tool onto the head of the lowering bolt. Before proceeding, always ensure your vehicle is parked on a flat, stable surface to prevent any movement during the process. With the tool securely attached, begin turning the wrench counterclockwise. As you turn, the spare tire, located underneath the vehicle, will slowly descend. Continue turning until the spare tire makes full contact with the ground. Then, give the wrench a few more counterclockwise turns. This extra rotation helps to fully release any remaining tension in the cable and detaches the tire from its lowering mechanism. Once the tire is fully lowered and loose, reach underneath and pull the retainer guide and chain through the center hole of the spare tire. This will completely free the tire. Now, you can easily slide the spare tire out from under your Hyundai Santa Fe. Always take a moment to inspect your spare tire for proper air pressure and any damage before use. If you're replacing a flat, secure it properly for transport.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.